Hey YouTube, welcome to the ACH Automotive channel. Quick little update video for you guys today. In one of my previous videos we did a diagnostic of the fan controller in our 2005 Mazda 6. And what I want to show today is that the unit is working. We replaced it in the last video with the fans and everything. And today I want to show on my Autel MP408 that we actually fixed it. So I had to take the airbox out just to get into the control module here, and I have my Phil's electrical probe on the signal wire. So on this control module there are three wires. There's a positive, a negative, and a signal. The middle wire is the signal, and then I have my known good ground here on the battery. If we come into the car over here, so I have my Autel MP408 right there, and it's connected on channel A. Our all data diagram here shows that's kind of what the signal is supposed to look like. Now I have found a couple of misprints in this setup. First of all, there's two listings for this in all data. The pins are different on the PCM. I went right to the control module. And also my Autel program is saying that 2 volts div on the y-axis is over. It's too much. It's not. It's too high. So what I have it set to here, I don't know if you can see on my Surface Pro. So I have OBDWiz, and you can see that the fans are saying, oh, they just shut off. The computer just shut them off. So this is just noise on the scope. I haven't really figured out how to clear that part of it yet, but you can see. Oops, as I touch the screen. So when the PCM commands the fans on, you should see a nice wave form here. And let me see if I can get it to, of course, now that the camera is on, it's not gonna, there we go. So that is what the waveform should look like, and you can see it's probably roughly right around 5.5 volts. So when I had it set to 2 volts, the software was squawking that it was overcurrent. So I just shut the fans off, and you can hear they're much silenter, they're much quieter. They were very, very noisy prior to this. So we're looking at the fan duty cycle here in OBDWiz. I have the Mazda plugins for it. I think they were about $75 for that plugin and the professional plugin. I think I spent $100 or so on the application. I have the dongle in the, oh, there we go. I just wanted to catch this on the camera. So nice smooth signal, and then you can see it's turned on here in OBDWiz, and as soon as the computer turns it off, yep, that signal goes away. That's not what we were seeing before. I'll try and put a clip in there of what it looked like prior to the repair. Unfortunately, I didn't really know what I was looking for then, and I've spent a lot more time playing with my scope. So I just wanted to do this quick short video to show what it looked like when you once you repaired the fan control module in your 2005 Mazda 6, and what it should look like on your Autel MP408 or any other oscilloscope that you're using for diagnostic. I'm using the MP408. I'm also using OBDWiz because that's what I have. You can look at the duty cycle, and I'm sure the snap-ons and other Autel and launch scanners show the same parameters. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe below. If there's something you want to know about the car or any of the projects on the channel, let me know. Thank you very much for watching. You can also follow along on social media at ACH Automotive. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and obviously YouTube. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive related videos.